The REOLINK Video Doorbell RLC-510A offers a seamless combination of wired connectivity and dual-band Wi-Fi support, ensuring reliable performance and easy installation. This video doorbell is bundled with a generous 256 gigabyte microSD card, providing ample local storage for your recorded videos without any additional subscription fees. Included with the REOLINK Video Doorbell is a chime, enhancing the convenience of receiving alerts in real time whenever someone is at your door. The device is designed to integrate effortlessly into home security systems, offering peace of mind through its high-quality video resolution and clear audio capabilities. REOLINK's thoughtful inclusion of both 5 GHz and 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi options ensures broad compatibility with various home network setups. As part of its robust security feature set, this video doorbell allows homeowners to monitor their entrance with precision and ease.